short technical update on the equity markets. The Nifty opened on a positive note today and thereafter turned sideways. Unlike other days where the Nifty continued to inch higher, today was a day of sideways consolidation for Nifty, and the Nifty traded in a sideways manner throughout the day. It ended the day on a positive note, up 1.9 points in today's trading session. The day actually belonged to the small and mid cap stocks, with the mid cap and the small cap index. The BSE mid cap and the small cap index were up close to more than 1% in today's trading session. The market breadth as a result of that was pretty impressive, with 1000 advances to 512 declines. From the Nifty 50 pack, HCL Tech, Tata Motors, Coal India, Maruti, Bajaj Auto were some of the stocks which closed with losses in today's trading session. On the flip side, Infosys, State Bank of India, Reliance, Jindal Steel, Bank of Baroda, L&T closed with gains today. Now we will have a look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, you can observe that after opening on a positive note, the Nifty did not inch higher throughout the day. It traded in a sideways manner. It is more clearly visible on the hourly charts. We can observe that after opening on a positive note, it turned sideways, and the mid and small caps outperformed today's trading session. No change in view for Nifty. We expect the positive momentum to continue in Nifty in the coming trading sessions. Yes, the hourly momentum indicator has turned into the negative, so we might just see some sideways consolidation in the coming trading sessions in Nifty. However, we can continue to see stock specific action on the positive side. So traders can hold on to their long positions in Nifty and look for stock specific ideas in the mid and small cap space. Crucial supports for Nifty are placed at 8300 and 8252. On the upside, today's high of 8348.49 is a crucial level to watch out for. A breach of that on the upside would lead to a further rise in the price of Nifty, and the next level that comes around as a crucial resistance is 8500, which is our short-term target. Now moving on to the chart of Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty also traded with a positive bias throughout the day. Some of the small banking stocks like Andhra Bank closed with gains of almost 5% in today's trading session. So the day belonged to mostly the mid and small cap stocks, wherein they gained handsomely throughout the day, and the heavyweights took a breather in today's trading session. So we continue to maintain positive stance on Nifty and Bank Nifty. Crucial supports for Bank Nifty are placed at 16,930 and 16,770 on the upside. Crucial levels, the resistance for Bank Nifty is placed at 17,300 and 17,500. Overall, friends, our view on the Nifty remains positive. Crucial supports are placed at 8300, 8250. Resistance is placed at 8350 and 8500. Our short-term target is placed at 8500. That's all for the day. Thank you.